the program in the framework of the OptimTex Plus project. According to the schedule, today we'll have a practical activity of the knitting module. Okay, so I'm pleased to start the meeting, and I'd like to introduce Professor Mirela Blaga that will start the practical work with the knitting software. So I wish you a very pleasant day, and I give the floor to Professor Mirela Blaga.
Thank you, Răzvan. It will be a challenging day, but we will give our best to try to show you what means programming of some of the simple knitted fabrics we can do together today. The students from the lab will follow also my explanation. So let's try to proceed like this. So you, Lilian, just follow my presentation, okay? Ar trebui să deschizi și pe perete, să deschizi să proiectez. Hai să facem și asta ca să vadă. Okay, just a second, I had an idea to project my presentation also for the students who are here. Okay, so I will open the software. I will not lose time with more explanation, but I will show you first how to open it and to do something, and then you will try to proceed according to my my explanation. All of you have in the computer some icons named Stoll M1 Plus. So Benny, don't worry, they are safe. We will assist them. Really go to your teaching class. They are safe. If nothing will happen, nobody is upset. We will really try to see how it works. If it not works, no problem. I will switch to a presentation. I will need something. Don't worry. Just leave them to us. They are fine.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Okay, I will share my screen. I will open my do we still wait for okay, we have. So first I will not continue unless you tell me we are ready, logged into the computer. It would be a pity to lose my demonstration because you try to log in. So is everybody already into a computer logged in? I heard from some of you, I heard.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes, we are in.
Yes.
We are also in.
I will share my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Good. Also the students, you can follow here, okay? De ce te tot chinuie acolo? Cu ce se chinuie, Lilian? Nu știu ce te face.
Încerc să conectez.
Dar la ce se conecteze? Lilian, what are you doing? Just press. Just close that and open the. Okay, so everybody has on the screen an icon named Stoll Pattern Software M1 Plus. It might happen to have more icons. If you have the version 6, yes, computer number 1, it's already working. Just press the version number 6, okay, 6 point something. So to have the same open version. 1.6, one of the 6. Good. So they follow here the screen. You are looking into my screen. We will open. So this is the interface. Of course, we have very many options here, but we will not complicate the things. We will just try to get the main steps of programming a knitted fabric. This is the purpose of today's demonstration. Okay. So we open a new pattern file. You have up on the left side. Dacă nu mi-au spus la ce calculatoare sunt, nu știu care unde sunt. So the problem is they didn't say in which computer they are. So we know about 1, we know about 5. So please, dear students present online, tell us in which computer you are to help you. So we have 1, it's working perfect. We have 2, who's in on 2, computer number 2, and 7.
I have 7.
Who's, Michaela, I can see the screen. Just tell me who is on 7.
Yes, I'm on 7.
Okay, so just click on the icon Stol M1 Plus.
Yes.
Dumitisa, că vezi că nu face, tu dai un click. Deci stați încă un calculator
And,
care are...
Computer number. For computer number 1, we are pressing
Yes.
on the icon, but it's not opening.
Okay, computer number 1. Here is in my
Number
front. Dar nu pot să deschidă. So you are on the screen, you are fine. Now you just have to click File, New Pattern. It's in the left up, File, New Pattern. Dă-i tu File, New Pattern, nu-ți poate să nu-ți deschidă.
Basically, the program is not launching. We are just opening, but it's not launching.
It might be because of the internet, I assume. As long as the network is not working, we are connected through a router, or maybe a little bit of delay. Okay, so does everybody see this small window?
Yes.
We will write there our names. I will write my name, Mirela. You just write down your name.
Right.
Okay,
Nice.
perfect. I see you working on 1. Good. And if we look to this screen, these are the initial data of a program. And you can intuit that here in the middle, this blue piece is the piece of fabric we are going to produce.
Maybe I think if you open your laptop, maybe we can see video on laptop and do work and then oh sorry.
This kid on laptop. You're talking to me?
No, sorry.
Ah, okay, because I don't know who's talking to me. So just everybody has this initial window for opening a program, yes? You wrote the name. Let's make a small exercise here on the blue piece. We write the width of the panel, which can be, for example, 80 whales. Do you remember we have whales and we have rows? You can put more. I want to put a smaller piece because I want to knit the fabric. So put there, for example, 120, no, leave it 100 as a width, okay, 100 whales and 120 rows. You can enter this from your keyboard. So we will have a rectangular panel with 100 whales and 120 rows. I will just change it for B because I will need it. Here below the name, you can find the machine we have in laboratory, one of those. CMS, this is the symbol from Stoll. And so CMS 500-02-502 HP6. So this is the machine we are going to need this piece of fabric. If you already give the dimension of the panel, then we can go and press Generate Design Pattern without touching any other things because they are deleted. Generate Design Pattern. Computer 1, very good. Let's see the screen for others. Number 7, Dumitrița. It's okay. Chenge, you watch number 5 or you watch also number 4. They don't have to change the machine. You don't have just to press and to open the working surface. La 4. lasă că nu tricotăm ceva, tricotez doar ce fac eu, asta e cel mai sigur, ok? Good, so we are all in the same stage. The computer number 4 is fine, everybody is okay. Perfect, you are already some specialized knitters. Excellent, so what do we have on the screen? First, just try to get accommodate with the screen because you have some scrolling arrows. What we have, you can minimize and maximize with minus plus from keyboard, or you have here on the menu plus and minus. So for visualization of the fabric, because you see, what do we see on the screen now? Look, I made it very big. We see the notations we discussed yesterday, the symbols of the loops, right? And we see the entire panel. If we minimize, we see different color parts. The bottom part, this one, is the beginning of the fabric. You see these purple areas? This is the beginning of the fabric. This is a waist zone. Important is because I will show you also the fabric. This part here, the first one, exactly the first one, is the waist. And then we have the border. If you look at your sweater, at your clothes, you will see an initial part, which is the border. Today we will use this this yellow part here. This will be for the drawings, okay? So this is at our disposal because the rest, this part, the purple one, they are automatic modules, so we don't touch them now. What I will do now, and please just watch the demonstration, and then I will give you the time to practice, okay? Just watch what I'm doing. So don't focus on your computer, just look at the screen. I will show you now the drawing tools. Why do we need these drawing tools? Because we want to elaborate, as I said yesterday, these digital systems are helping us to be very fast. Otherwise, the clients will not wait for us 1 month to do something manually. So all these tools, because if we just open the options we have, it's a scary software. I mean, you're starting to go away and say, I don't want it. Thanks, but no thanks. But in fact, all these tools are designed to help the programmer to be as fast as possible and as fast as the market is asking to be. Of course, as I said yesterday, these digital systems are connected to a knitting machine, which is designed by the same manufacturer. We here in the lab have the German technology Stoll, which I informed you yesterday about. So this is what we practice with the students on. First of all, to identify the drawing tools, you have it on different parts of the screen, but I will show you. I think you all can identify a piece. I move it now on my screen. If you see it, you can see it having some pencils, some lines. Just look if you can identify it on your screen. This is the first step, okay? So we have a line with few drawing tools on which I move it now. For me, it's here on the bottom part. Yours can be on the upper, depending on the students who's sitting on a certain computer. You can arrange, you can move it. If you put the mouse, you can move it. Look, I put it here in the middle of the screen to see. These are the drawing tools, and I have the control of it. Okay, have you identified this tool? Good. So to draw something, you have here on the right side of the screen. So I have the mouse. The mouse has two parts. left and right. I will tell you when I use the right part. We have a number of 32 colors. Look, when I move the mouse, you can see that the number of colors is identified from 1 to 32. I will take a visible color from this, let's say number 7. And I will use few of, not all, because you don't need all. I will just use those who will be used today. Of course, the easiest way is the pencil, but this is too, I'm saying Chinese slave. We don't use, I will maximize the screen. So you can just put some dots. If you see, when I click on a color, I have it in my mouse. In order to cancel it, you press Escape either from your keyboard or from here, Escape. So if you want to get off a color, you take the color, you have it, and then you press Escape. It's important to cancel it, otherwise you move around with the same thing without knowing what you do. Then, if you observe, there is a selection on the screen, something which is marked here. For example, this is a selection. We can cancel it by pressing this X. There is an X, and everywhere where you move the mouse, you will see what this means. Cancel selection. So it's not difficult to find it. Cancel selection. We have a line which can be also useful to be faster in drawing something. Escape to get off the mouse. Cancel selection X. So we already know two buttons, Escape and Selection, Cancel Selection. I'm taking another color, let's say the blue, you can see it. And the next drawing tool is the rectangle or the square. When you press here, you have on the left two options, rectangle and square, filled, not filled. So I will take the square filled, and I took the blue color. I made a simple square. Escape to cancel the cursor, the mouse, cancel selection. I can take not filled. These are intuitive, they are very simple, it shouldn't be a problem. It's just a matter of exercise, nothing more. We have Escape, we have Cancel Selection. When we want to select something on the screen, we take the rectangle or the square without any color. So when I take this field, I can select everything I have on the screen. You see, and then Escape, Cancel Selection. So what do we know so far? To take something in the cursor, to cancel it, to cancel the selection, to draw with rectangular. They will connect back. Okay, somebody has disconnected from computer number 2. They will come back. The third tool, also very simple, is the circle or ellipse. I will take a green. You see why it's important to know the number of the color, because might be different options for green, for example. Okay, I take the ellipse or the circle. I have again filled, not filled. So if I take the circle, it's very simple. not filled, it's also very simple. I press escape to cancel the cursor, cancel selection, nothing complicated. Ellipse, the same. Ellipse can be with big axis as well. I can put it in this direction. If it's filled, then I can draw it like this or like this. Escape, cursor, cancel selection. Puneți-vă mască dacă tușiți. Who's coughing? A mask. There is here, I will jump a little bit to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8th number, a magic wand. In the row, the 8th number, it's a magic wand. It is exactly what it says, a magic wand, which we can use to fill some parts, some contours can be filled with this. But watch out, when you have the magic wand, you don't get off it unless you don't take something else. So you can fill it. It's very easy. You can really have very particular contours. And if you take the magic wand, this is the magic wand, it is written there. Lucky me that the software is in English, so you can, when you close the mouse, the cursor there, it's saying what it is. Now, a little, it's not a troublemaker, but it is a little bit nasty, this polygon, because once you have taken it, just watch what we can do. We can do any kind of shape we want. You see, we can really imagine whatever, but we don't get off it unless we put double click. So if we want to finish, let's say I imagine this, this contour, excellent. We have to do it a double click and then it will stop. It will stop and then we put an enter. Enter from the keyboard and then you have a shape on the screen. You will do it on your own. We have a selection, we cancel the selection, and of course now we can use again the magic wand and create various possibilities of drawing. Magic wand and a rectangular polygon. Escape, we cannot escape from the magic wand, but we go and take something else. Now I notice that I have a full screen. If I want to delete something, we don't have an eraser, but we can draw on top of this. So we take the basic color, it is 31. You see it here on the, if I move the cursor, I cannot show you. It's there on the back, on the bottom part, it is 31. So I go, I take 31. I take a rectangular field and I start to draw on top, or there is another option. I will show it to you after you practice a little bit. So we simply delete by drawing with the background color. Escape, cancel selection. Okay, so I suggest to practice a little bit with these tools to see if you can handle it, and then I go on, okay? Just try it. You don't broke anything. If you don't know, it's not a problem. We will just ask and we go to your computer. We take the mouse. So in this moment, but just don't go in the border, computer number 1. We said we don't touch this part, this purple part, because this is, if we have to do the program, then it will give us an error, because you can take number 1, take the rectangle, not the square, if you want to extend your drawing on the width. Okay, perfect. Yes, excellent. So yes.
Please ask number 5 how to color different parts.
Number 5, okay.
Yeah.
How to collect, just say please louder.
How to color the different parts. I draw different shapes and you color different segments.
With magic wand. Take the magic wand. Is the number 8 in the row? I think this is. Doreen is there. He will take the mouse, your mouse, and show it to you. Computer number 5. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Just watch what he's doing on the screen, and then you can do it on your own.
Okay. Okay, this and then continue the color.
Who is on the computer number 10? Just so, if it might happen that you are logged out, just log in again. Okay, computer number 10. Is anybody on computer number 10? Asta întrebaste, că vrea să umple ceva?
Da.
Ok.
Cred, nu știu, n-am auzeam.
Vorbește cu accent de indian. De cu accent de indian și de-aia nu înțelegi.
David, he's with us.
In computer number 10?
He has computer number 10, but he works with me on computer number 7.
Okay, so we leave computer number 10. Okay, in computer number 7, is Dumitrița there? She's watching your work?
Yes.
And everything goes well. So just try to make these contours, to fill in with the magic wand, to take other colors, to delete. Oh my God, here are the real knitters in the lab. I'm sorry you cannot see them.
We are not having the access for the
Sorry, just speak louder, please.
number 1.
Number 1.
Having an access, yeah.
But you're in the...
We are in, but our access is limited.
Maybe it's frozen a little bit. Just, okay, Doreen will take your mouse, okay? We are now in your computer. Just move something, take a tool. Dar pune, mai altă culoare să vadă. Ia.
I'm not able to take anything else.
So it's blocked? Can you see? Can you see now the activity on the screen? We are doing it. Can you see it? That something is moving or not? Not. Because we are working on your computer now and it's working. Probably it's a matter of connection. Maybe you can. You took the mouse. Perfect. Now we see your activity now. Just take a color. Yeah, you move it. Perfect. You're in. Can you see that you move? Because we see that you do something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but from here, we are not seeing any activity from us as well.
Well, I'm happy that you do something. I can see your mouse. You took, you took the color. Try, when you draw, so you are, according to us, you're fine. You're doing something. I'm sorry you cannot see it.
Now, for example, we are taking a blue color, but we cannot see it from here what we are doing. Basically, we are, our intention was to take blue, but we are not seeing this color in the screen.
You have the blue on the screen. You work perfectly, very nice. You have the circle, you have the ellipse. Do you have a laptop there? You are on a laptop. You have a screen, a big screen there. Where are you?
Yeah, the idea is we are not able to see the changes we are doing in our screen.
I understand. What to do? I don't know what to do because you are really working. You take the blue. I mean, everything you say, I can see it, and it's a movement on the. Maybe look, you can get out and back. Try again in TeamViewer and come back because it's a pity. You are indeed doing things, and I can see it, and I'm very happy that you do. But as long as you cannot control your, so just go out and come back. Hassan, how is going there? Open the microphone and speak without. In which computer you are? In?
We are working in 5.
Number 5.
In 5.
Number 5.
Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You are there. Can you see what you do?
Yes.
Yes, we.
Good. And why are you so upset then?
Because after making the shape, when we try to make the color, the shape, then it's gone.
Ah, that one with polygon. I show you again because that is tricky. That one with different shape. Okay, I do it
Yeah.
again. Don't worry. Look. So I'm repeating the polygon because this is really annoying. I understand you. So I take the polygon, I take a color, and I do a shape of flower, something, doesn't matter what. I have this shape. When I want when I want to finish it, I have to double click it. And however, it will gone if I don't give an enter to be there, to keep it there. Okay? So double click to complete the contour and then an enter, and then you will have it on your screen. Cheng,
Yeah.
are they doing what I'm saying? Cheng is my assistant computer 5. She said you're perfect. So now we have the contour. We have also a selection. I will cancel the selection and I will fill this, for example, with the magic wand. I cancel the selection, I cancel the cursor, and I want to get off. Look what is happening if I keep the magic wand. This magic wand will fill everything where I press. You see? So I have to get off it by taking another tool. So just ask, please ask. We are here several people to help because it will be difficult to do it on my own. French students are lucky ones because they are here and they get direct support, but you're also assisted. So just ask. We don't know. We cannot. It is blocked. We are used to do that. It's not, so don't be shy. Just tell us. In computer number 1, you got in?
Maybe we.
Yes, we got it. Yes.
We got it.
That's
That's why we didn't press enter last time.
Now I don't see any activity on. Who is on to? Okay. Now you move the mouse there. Can you see your activity?
Yes, we see.
Good. So when this happened, you notice that, okay, nothing is happening, just come back, and it might be because of the internet, and you're so far. So okay, the group with, look, I don't know the name. I've seen 2 beautiful faces, one girl, one boy, but I don't know your names. I see third head, third. Please talk to me a little bit if you want.
Yeah, it's Magdalena and Tirta.
Tirtak, so this is, I thought it's an acronym or something. Okay, where are you? In which computer?
In 4?
4, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful yellow, green, spring, colorful drawing. Don't laugh because this is the start, but I'm that certain that immediately we will draw a nice jacquard together. We'll write OptimTex on the screen. Just practice a bit to get familiar with the tools.
I think.
Thanks.
And then.
Ce le zi? Deci tu vezi dacă se blochează, dă-le ceva, un click acum. Iar? Hassan, you forgot to press enter in your shape. Chenge is informing me what you do there. Just press enter. So
we
do the
press
shape.
enter.
Yes.
We press enter, and after that, when we press the magic button, it's disappear. Mean the shape.
Look again to my demonstration, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I will. Do you remember? I can delete what I have done by taking the background color and by taking the rectangle. So I will delete this and I do again. So escape and cancel. Just a second to fill in my screen. Okay, I take a color, red. I take the polygon. So Cheng is watching. What are you doing in computer 5? I do the shape.
Yeah.
Dar tu de ce te distrezi, Cheng? Că așa făcea și voi. Să vezi ce bine să fii prof. So I finish the contour and I give double click.
Double mouse click. Okay. Yeah.
Double click and then enter from the keyboard. Enter.
Yeah.
They did.
Okay. We make a shape. First we have to complete.
Lasă-mă să facă conturul, stați și voi fiți mai tolerante cu semenii voștri. Ah, okay. Look what is the problem. You use now identified. Take another color because you can't see because you use with the same color on the same color. So it never ends. Take another color, contrast one. You have some green on the screen or something. Take another one to see it, to visualize it. Computer number 2, the design starting. Computer number 4. The French students are already specialists. What can I say? They are very creative. Da, păi ăștia asta.
What is a double view?
Then I think.
So what is the problem, Hassan? With double click on the screen. Take another color than the one you have on the screen.
Yeah. Okay.
Just wait a little bit because Doreen will make for you the, okay? Just watch your screen, please.
Thank you.
Cine? Merg bine? Ce mai greu? Da, de la 4 sunt ok. Okay. I delete what I have done and I will show you the mirroring.
That's working. First you click. No, you color the background.
Okay, I will create a shape now with the polygon to be able to mirror something. Mai mă sună copilul meu, înseamnă că e ceva... So I do a triangle, double click, enter.
We need to press this one and this one.
Yes, press escape and enter.
Okay, I continue this. So I have a shape and I want to mirror it. I used polygon and I used the magic wand to fill in. Now I will select this with the Vezi unde mi-e? Da. O vezi? I will select it. I will make the selection with the rectangular field. So we select this shape with copy, which is Control C, or copy from the menu. We have it in our cursor, Control C or copy it.
Control C.
Control C, you have the shape. We try to use the mirroring tool, which is there. It's 2F face-to-face mirroring. So I take the mirroring button, I open the mirroring, and you will see a short window where your shape is here. So for example, I want to mirror it like this. I pressed the mirroring to the vertical. So just press mirror. Do first the shape. Yeah. So if I press here, for example, on the right, so I have this object, and then I want to mirror it to the vertical.
Yeah.
Mai bine făceam numai ochiurile, cred, da? Nu tot îți fac asta. Tot îți facă desene, nu? Asta-i paza. Asta mă gândesc că dacă făceam ochiurile și mai greu și... Asta e ok.
Startați lecția din stânga, pe rând. Startați lecția pe rând. De ajută de ajută după aia la ochiuri.
Da, numai să facă... Or, for example, I can do the mirroring like this, so I can put it like that. Just try some options of mirroring. Or like this, but this is the same. Or like this. So you have various options. Yes, computer number 1, it's okay.
I got a question back in mind. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
We have a question from computer number 2.
Yes, please.
So to copy or to mirror a given object, first
you select. So first you select your drawing with the rectangular field. Okay, no color. You just select.
So how can you select? The question is, how can you select the drawing?
Look, just watch your screen because Dorin is there. He will show you, okay? So first you select your shape with rectangular, with the tool rectangular.
Another screen. It's our 7.
So which computer you said number 2? Which computer?
In Pilsen, Michaela, I have 7.
So you asked for 7 to go. Who asked that they need help? Which computer?
Computer number 2.
Number 2. Yes, Doreen is in front of computer number 2 and we see you're selecting your shape. Perfect.
Okay, yeah. Now it's
okay. Control C.
Control C, yeah.
Or copy. But you cancel. Okay? Just wait, just look a little bit to the demonstration he's doing it. He will fill in your contours with the magic wand to have colorful. Number 1, very good. I see your mirroring. Excellent. Number
mirror
5, it's okay? Good.
Yeah.
So, and number 2 now, Doreen is doing a demonstration for you. So you select first the shape, then you select with the rectangular field without color. You copy it and then you open mirroring button and you have options of mirroring to the horizontal direction or to the vertical.
First, for example,
mirroring with where is the mirroring? Yeah. ኮፒ ነው ያደረግነው ሚረሩ ነው ነው እኛን ናችን ሸርሎች ያ መጣያ
Just try in the meantime. You can try the writing. There is an A here. With this, try to write something on the screen, okay? Kevin, are you okay? You need assistance, something? Okay. You can, if you want something, Mirela can help you. She doesn't speak English, but she's good on computer. Just ask, okay?
How to select the shape?
There's a distraction. Ești greu și...
Ma filtru pentru că de muzică de bla
Nu mai râde de băieți, mai... Ce am chiar se distrează într-una de băieți? Dar ce vrei? Dar gândește că ești în... The computer number 1, don't use Control X, but Control C. Just copy it because you cut now from some pieces from the screen. And not with right mouse, don't use right mouse, it's Control C from the keyboard, or you have here up in the menu, edit, copy, okay? So you can use this option. Don't cut anything from your piece. Yes, you will. We will need for you this with sunset, or you can write your name.
Rectangle.
Ce mai fac băieții? Tirtat, everything is fine?
Yes.
At computer number 7, yeah?
It's computer number 4.
My goodness, I have to take some medicine for my memory. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, good. Aha, you made a mirroring, okay, good. And now, let's say that we did cancel the course or cancel the selection. I will show you how to fill in all. I will show you how to fill in all the surface. We select this drawing with rectangular and no color. We copy it, Control C or edit copy. And for example, if I go here on the left, I can fill in. I can fill in a second the whole surface. William, you cannot change the color between the letters because this will not be possible to knit.
Solid. Fill in.
So again, you can, there is also undo if I change my mind or I can delete. So again, I copy this. I select it with rectangular and no color. I copy it with Control C and look at my screen. If I go like this, I select all the rows. I can fill in all the surface. Computer number 1, you took the color. You have a color. Okay. Now do okay. Take the polygon and I'm watching you. Yes, just do a shape, no matter which one. And now double click, perfect, and give an enter from keyboard.
Okay.
So you have, perfect. So you have now, and then you can cancel the cursor and cancel the selection. And you have this shape on your screen. Yes, there, excellent. So you have it. If you want to take the magic, so now select this, take the rectangular with no color, take the rectangle, no, on the left, next to rectangular and filled, no color.
But it's not active.
From here.
That one is fine. Take the rectangular and okay, now select your shape. Select. Not on the contour, just
Outside.
okay, yes, but without color. You still have red color and you
Deactivate this one.
yeah, this one. No color. We don't have any color. Doreen is there now. Filled, no color.
No.
Take the rectangle and select that. Nu-l așa, mă, puteți fac oglindire. Or computer number 1, Hassan, take, I don't think Hassan is in 5. Sorry.
Grunge and Abraha.
Grunge. Okay. You can use for selection also the magic wand without color. So try it. Take the magic wand. No, not right mouse. There, from the tools, you have magic wand.
Select.
Yes, Doreen took it. Selectează-le lor. So you have a selection, Grunge. Again, take the magic wand. So you have to select in.
ኮፒ ለማድረግ ከታርጉ እኮ ነው። ለምንድን ነው እንላለን ከትን
Deci, sandwich-uri doar la prânz.
Da, nu facem nimic.
Doar la prânz.
Doar la prânz.
Fix sandwich-uri.
Așa.
Control plus X.
No.
Right click down.
ወደዚህ
The computer number 2, Doreen is there to help you.
دقيقة.
Okay, let's delete the surface and try to fill in all the surface. Computer number 4, very nice. Now you can fill in. I'm going back and I'm showing you again something. So I have this drawing, Control C, and I want to make an entire, again, how do you fill in the entire surface? You take this in the cursor with copy and you click on your left mouse and you select the rows, all the rows. so you can fill in all your surface.
እንዴት በከለር
Okay, computer number 1, you did the just to wait to I see what you do. If you want to frame something, I will show you there is a tool for framing. Okay, Grant, just wait a little bit.
Okay.
I will show you how to make this. Try to fill in your surface with all your surface with this drawing. In number 2, okay. Try to fill in the surface with a part of your drawing. Copy it and look. Lilian, there. I'm showing again how you fill in. So you copy this, Control C. Then you select from here all the rows until here. So you don't go up, you on last row, and then you have Control C, and you select, if you want to have it all, then you have to select the rows from here, from the left side.
Select currency. Rectangular.
That's one.
Grant, you have to select. Doreen is there, just watch the demonstration, okay? Computer number 5. Oh, what a... Chenge, your teacher said you enter in the automatic module in the purple one. You are not allowed to go there with the drawing. So, Chenge, take the mouse, delete the entire screen. Just wait a little bit, guys, okay? Hassan, Chenge will take your mouse, will delete the entire screen, and will show you how to fill in the entire surface, okay? Yes, Grant, Control C. Now Control C or copy or edit copy. Okay, and now I'm going to your computer, Grant, and fill in your surface, okay? Just wait.
surface.
single copy ነው እዚህ ጋር ነው እንደዚህ አድርጋ ሲልክ ልክ ኤክሴል ሲልክ
ይራዳ ከኔለ
እዚህ ጋር ስትልክ አድርጊ አሁን ወደ ታች ነው
ግሌን ስታዛማ
ማንኛውም ነው የሚመጣው
ወደና እዚህ ጋር ማሲ ግሌን ስታዛማ
እዚህ ጋር ነው የምንመጣው ማለት ነው ማድረግ ነው አሁን የሚያስፈልገን አላውቅም ሶፍትዌር የምናገኘው ከሆነ ሶፍትዌር አይደለም።
Okay, what is happening? I think everybody works. It's fine. You're fine. I see on your face you're worried. Don't be. My battery is low.
Okay.
Questions? Questions? I promised you I will show you an entire piece of fabric. Remember the whole garment piece in the meantime? This is how it came out from the machine with this waist. This is a complete piece of fabric. We just have to unroll this, finish it, and then wear it. This is the reason it's called is knit and wear. So no sewing parts, nothing. Everything is in one piece. So and all the design is made on this software.
It's by 3D knitting machine.
Yes. Yes.
And if we make some colors, then how we manage the color, by thread or something?
Here in this?
Yeah.
Or where? In this. Well, when we design such a piece, the color, the pattern, it's less because the shape is very important. You can do it, but not many colors because the shape is really complicated and you keep busy all the machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I see that everybody now we want to practice the writing. We have a button here. We want to write OptimTex on the screen, or you can write your name. Okay, I will knit the fabric with OptimTex to have it at the end. So let's delete everything. Let's delete everything. Okay, to have a clean surface. You take the to delete everything, you take the background color and you fill in from here, from here on the left side on this column, you fill in everything. Cancel selection, cancel the cursor.
Control plus 6.
La 7 ce fac?
X select ca când îmi
Acolo e o fată și un băiat. Sunt foarte...
Control plus 6 mă arăt.
Cel mai greu se descurcă cine? 5?
Nu, le las un control iară că pune la selectare e cât.
Aha. Control iară de
I promised to Grant that I will show you the frame, an insert frame, because he was trying to do a frame. I will show you how to do a frame to a shape. I take again the polygon. Double click to keep the shape, enter to have it on my screen. You see, if I didn't get off polygon, it's still there. So let's do a frame to this object. Mai bine tot ca să nu fie confuzați de frame. Lasă-mă așa. So I want to frame a piece of an object. I have to select it. So I will show you a new button. I select the shape. So just look how I'm doing the frame of something. I have a shape, I select it, I take a color, and I take this bottom insert frame. There is here insert frame. Ah, very good. Very good. Insert frame. Then I have to choose the size of the line I want to, I choose symmetrical, I click symmetrical, I have a color, and I choose a line with one point. Huh? One needle, yes. If I put 2, then I will have a larger one. If I put 3, I have a larger one, and so on. So just do a shape, take a color, and in-frame it. Leah, you tried to write something? To write something?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So you select the shape. You select the shape and then you take a color and you open the bottom insert frame. I will do again to this shape another frame. So I cancel selection. I select my my object. I take a color, insert frame. I choose symmetrical, otherwise it will go only on one direction. And with the new color, which is for me green. It came out an interesting shape because I made frame to frame. Este că trebuie, tu crezi că am vreo șansă să fac un jacquard? Nu? Doar să fac eu, nu? Și cât mai avem? Până la mai am 45 de minute, nu?
Să faceți doar să-și legați?
Da, nu să-l fac și să-l tricotăm, să-l vadă.
Ah, doar...
Eu.
Da.
Da, să fac un jacquard imediat.
Deci mă fac numai și după aia?
Da, dar acum până în prima sesiune să le fac un jacquard eu, să vadă cu la ce folosesc desenele astea, până terminăm prima parte. După aia continuăm tot așa amândoi ce să facem, nu e greu, nu poți să faci singur, nu mă pot. Nu știu ce facem, le arăt ochiurile, tipul de ochiuri.
Zic să recitați răzvanticea, să facem până aici, nu? Să le înțelegem prin presiune.
Asta putem să o lăsăm dacă vreți.
Așa, să răzvan. Să ne uităm la ultima sesiune și închidem cu ochiurile. Uite, degeaba.
Da, nu, e un chin și pentru ei și pentru noi nu e, da.
Pentru noi nu.
Deci pe bună dreptate acum. Ce problemă că...
ከለሩን እዚህ ጋር እዚህ ጋር ምረጪው እስቲ እዚህ ጋር
በቃ እንደዚህ ያደረገ
እዚህ ጋር ውስጥ ለምሳሌ እሱ ኦኬ የሆነ ከለር አረንጓዴ
Hassan, Dorin is taking your mouse to your screen, okay?
Okay.
Number 5, yeah? Number 5, the computer number 5, is it yours?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, just to make a mirroring and to copy it.
ሲው ራሱ ያመጣልሻል እስቲው አሁን የፍሬም ነው እንትን
Tirta and Magdalena, they are
ፍሬም ራሱ ላይ
very good. They manage very well, according to what Dumitrisa is watching your computer. You are all good. This is not a matter of being good or not. It's a matter of practicing. So don't be disappointed if you don't immediately succeed to have a click or not having a click. This is not the issue. I will show you immediately how a fabric is coming out from the software. I will draw it and then I will design a program and I will knit it for you. Now it's simple, some exercises. Oh, you look so desperate. Some of you. Questions? Did you manage to do a frame?
Yes, we did.
Oh, excellent. Okay, let's write something on the screen and then I will, we will cancel if you want, it's up to you, the after lunch session, if it's too tiring for you. But now let's write something on the screen. Let's write each of us our names. And then I will make a jacquard with OptimTex project and I will knit it on the machine, okay? We take a color as usual and we go and click on this icon with text as pattern element. Text, it is easy to recognize. There is an A. Okay, and we write OptimTex, okay, or you write your name, whatever. Don't forget to take the color and we press generate pattern element. We press it and we close this and we click it on the screen. Computer number 1, Grange, don't go to with undo, just take the background color, the beige one. Okay, and now it's off. And draw on top of it. Yes, like that. Good. Perfect. And now, okay. Now take again red color or whatever, blue if you want, and that button with A. Excellent. Write whatever you want, not very long, not because we cannot write very long, but we chose at the beginning just 100 whales. Yes, Abreha, very good. Generate pattern element. You press generate pattern element. There is a button down, generate pattern element. Haideți una dintre voi și ajutați-mă. Puneți click pe generate pattern element. There, generate pattern element, închide ăla. You close the window and you, nah, this is too long. You don't have enough space. You can cancel, you can just, okay, that is fine. Anuleze cursorul cu escape. Now you cancel the cursor. Dumitris, nu trebuia să anulez selecția. Vreau să le fac frame. Deci du-te cu undo. Du-te cu undo înapoi. Cu undo. So you have on the screen now a name. We can.
Is it okay for us?
Yes, it's okay for you. Who else?
And for, how to escape from this name?
You press generate pattern element and then you close the window because this will remain in your mouse.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and now you just escape the cursor. Don't cancel the selection. Okay, Abreha, it's fine. Close that. And please change the magic wand because you will have troubles. Just take another element. No, not that one. Take another button. Okay, now wait. Good. So we have on the screen a name, something written with a selection, and we want to in-frame this. Do you remember? We take another color, we take insert frame, and I will in-frame this written, and now I can, and we have this OptimTex. So again, so do it again from the beginning. You now, Abreha, it's fine. Take a color. Good, good. You took yellow. Yellow will not be seen. Take something strong. Take red. Take, yes, you can, but you, no. Yes, that one. And doing again the in frame. Yes. Symmetrical, not with 5, because if you put 5, you will not see again the very good. You can do it with 1, and this will be
color. Okay.
so Magdalena, you have to write only Magda.
With decimal numbers, with 1, it seems a kind of solid for us.
Sorry? Tirtak, you have something?
Can it be a fraction less than 1?
Now you can close this. I don't understand the question. And now what?
My question was, we used the smaller scale 1, but still it is a kind of solid. So
because
I was asking if there is possibility to choose some fraction numbers less than 1.
No, but you use 2. This is the reason it's a solid. Go back with undo. Go back. There is an undo, but yeah. Now from now on, take red. Go to in frame and choose 1. Okay. Yeah, this is the we cannot this is the number of it's a needle. You cannot have a section of it. It's a whale. It's a loop, you know. So you have just 1, 2, or 3. That is fine. It's perfect. Leave it there. So Magdalena monopolized the drawing of you. Just write Magda and Tirta to have both sounds, or you do, because here we have Abreha and Granch. They have a very nice aligned names. Where else your 2? Hassan and good, excellent. Și-au scris? Ce și-au scris? Ce dacă ai fi profesoara ai nebunii? Clar. Nu, văd că n-ai aptitudini de
የጣና ብሎ ጻፍ እስቲ
color.
የጣና ወይልክ
ኧረ ምንድን ነው የምጽፈው? አብደላ OptimTex መጻፍ
ችግር የለም። በቃ ኤስ እንበለው። በቃ ችግር የለም።
እሺ ምንድን ነው?
ጀነሬት ነው።
Can we insert another line?
Yes, with there is an insert button in your keyboard. Insert. Okay, I will show you. Insert. No, you have first to select a row. If you want to, for example, this is the row I want to multiply. Insert. You can take the selection 10 times. But why do you want to insert the row? You need some more space? Yes, so you can use the button from the keyboard, insert.
So ምንድነው ጀነሬት ማድረግሽ ማክሲመም ሃይት ይልና ሴሌክት ማክሲመም 5 to 5 ውስጥ ያ እሱ ደግሞ
የቀነስከው እኮ ነው እንጂ ራሱ እኮ ተቀምጧል።
ቴኒ ወይስ ቴኒ
አረሰንስከው
0.5
የሰነስከው እኮ ነው።
ቴን ስናደርገው እንትን ካለ ካነሰ
So you managed to insert rows?
በቃ ኢንተርቪው አሁን አንዴ ብቻ አድርጊና ኢንተርቪው
We can also delete rows if we want.
ሴሌክት አድርጊ አሁን
ምን ሴሌክት ማለት
ያን ጽሁፍ ያለበት ሴሌክት አድርጊና ስኬፕ ሴሌክት አድርጊ ውስጥ በሱ
ፍሬም እኮ ነው ሴሌክት እያደረኩ ያለው
ፍሬም አስጠብቆናለች። ይሄን ከዚህ ፍሬም ልንገባ ነው የሰራው። ከዚህ በኋላ ጽፎ ይሄንን ነው ፍሬም ጋር ነው
insert frame.
Programul și o să... noi avem 3 sesiuni de programul jumate.
Diagonal point in log selection.
Sesiuni jumate.
Color mulțumesc mult.
Asta nu
e jumătate cu programul de acolo.
Color mulțumesc.
de o oră și nu.
Iar jumătate.
Să mai
Pentru că trebuie să facă niște analize. Poate să listezi niște analize cu care să mergi cu Eva la dermatolog. Am fost în rezolvat.
Adică să le duci
de asta nici
control C, de ce nu las?
ይሄን የሰራው ቲም ቴክስ ይሄን የሰሩት
Maria sunase ca să trebuie să se îmbrace cu tricou galben pentru Ucraina și i-am dat tricou de la Open Days, că n-avem altul. N-am tricou galben, nu purtăm, ok.
አሁን ኢንተራክቲ
Totuși un tricot.
ወይ ማጥፊው ማለት
E cam amărât așa că... Ce să fac acum?
አራት ነገር አካባቢ እንነሳ ወደ ላይ
Să nu fi intrat, am intrat? Am intrat în...
Nu, ați dat vorba.
zici că nu.
Mă duc până la baie și după aia când eu îmi fac desen și apoi...
Testele de la platformă, nu? Testele de la pe platformă.
Da.
Ok.
Nu știu dacă îi verifică cineva.
Ce?
Dacă și-o dat testele sau nu.
Trebuie să fac ceva cu ei mâine o oră.
Ca să le dăm...
Sau cu dimineața. O oră. 45 de minute sau cu ei.
Hai, nu sunt numai 45 de minute, dar după aia are Răzvan, nu știu cât. Să închidă.
Să văd câți ani እየሰራች ያለችው
ሴትዮዋ ነው። ኧረ አንበሳ
እሺ
ቮይስ
ከዛስ
ቮይስ ኮፒ አድርግ እሱን። አሁን ደግሞ ሰማያዊ ምረጭ። ሌላ እንደሱ ሬክታንጉላር የሆነ ወይ ሰማያዊ ወይ ሌላ ከለር ትመርጫለሽ። ከዛ ኮፒ ፔስት እያደረገች ወሰደችው። ምረጭ እዚህ ጋር የሆነ ዲያግራም ነው።
We are again blocked our access.
You did what? Who's speaking?
Yeah, computer number 1.
Yes, Granjan Abred. Yes, what is the problem?
We are not accessing it again.
You're not accessing. Then
Disconnect and reconnect.
no other solution than disconnect. We can see your movements, but if you don't, just up and down. Nu să mai închid din calculatoarele care nu merg.
ሸፖ ያደረገችና
ከለር አድርጋ ኢሊት አንዱ ከለሩን ቀይር።
ከዚህ በኋላ
ፊልም የሚለውን አጥፍ። ፊልም የሚለውን አጥፍ። ቆረጥኩ skip አደረኩ።
I made a drawing because I plan to make a demonstration for you or of how I transform this drawing in a fabric.
እንደዛ ነው ነግሬያለሁ።
Când mă uit la fața ta, vine și eu la fugă, adică așa, te uiți cu milă la mine. Ce să fac cu tine? Deci se pare că o să mergem în Slovenia. Adică... So I leave you 5 minutes more if you want to practice, and then I will continue with the demonstration. If you're tired and you want a break, 10 minutes, just say it, or...
A break could be fine for 10 minutes.
A break will be fine?
Oh,
and the students are laughing here. Of course, a break is always fine for a student as well for us, if you want. So let's come back at 45. Okay, just take a coffee, just relax a little bit. Michaela, how is going?
Yeah, it's fine. And thank you for the helping.
But it's not so scary, isn't it? It's a software which has some tools and they have to be practiced. That is all. It's nothing of being more or less skillful. We do the same here with our students. When they start, they draw. And of course, we have a lot of time at our disposal. So I think you are very good because you make very quickly progresses, considering the situation and the fact that this is the first time. So I'm really satisfied with your work. I hope you are the same.
Yeah, it's a good experience. And because we have the experience with Inkscape, I think it's a little bit similar software.
Exactly. I mean, you have in all the software, no matter what is the technology, you have some drawing tools. Hi. Then of course, you have some tools to make a program because obviously you want to transform it in something physically. The procedure is the same. Usually the drawing tools are very intuitive, and this is like in normal drawing software. But even between the software from knitting is a big difference. So you have always to start it from scratch. This is the software, this is the machine. These are the tools, I will learn them. It's nothing to scare of. But really you're good because I see that you keep the read. So I didn't expect something else or something more. I'm just disappointed that there's only few of you. Probably you got scared, or who knows what you imagine it will happen. I see a new face. Ahmed. Huh, he closed the camera. I just wanted to say hello to you. Ahmed, where are you? In a lab?
In computer lab. Computer number 2.
I was asking, where are you physically now? In a lab? In
Ghent University. Ghent University, in the office.
Oh, okay, good.
With Yetana work.
Okay. Good. Let's take a short break and to continue then with my demonstration. And if one of you is very ambitious and he wants a program, you should let me know and we will knit it for you. Tirtat, what do you say? I can see in your eyes that you are challenged with Magdalena, Michaela also. It would be, if we would be here, we would need all your names. But if you give me, I think I can take it from the list with the computer, your first name. Maybe I can manage to knit it and to bring it to you in Slovenia. If we will meet with you there.
And do you have some experience with conductive yarns? If we send you the conductive yarns, it's possible to knit it some samples for us?
We made some spacer fabric with conducting yarns. The only problem now is that the machine, which has the right gauge, because I assume they are thin, is broke. But I can take some yarns when being in Slovenia to bring it here and to check and to get some samples. So if you bring there some samples, maybe in the meantime, because we have 3 machine gauges. One is coarse, and this is running now, so it will be something very bulky and volume, and 2 others which are not running now with a higher gauge, so for finer fabrics. So if you give me some samples, I can try.
It would be very helpful for us, because in Czech Republic the companies don't have time and such experience with the knitting. So
the problem because they are metallic yarns, right?
Yes.
Yes, the problem is these yarns that the risk to broke the needles is very big. So you have to knit with very slow speed, eventually very carefully. So I cannot imagine somebody stopping the production and trying with this.
Yes.
So for a company, I understand they. But on the other hand, we also have some manual machines, and we can insert it maybe also. So manual means that, yeah, not the needles. You have a machine, and we run by hand the yarn feeder. Sometime we made some samples. The problem is also with, because you know that the knitted fabric, the yarns are bended. It might be broken also, but I can take some samples of yarns and try to knit something.
Yeah,
if you bring it there.
Nice for us.
And I assume you will go to Slovenia, right?
Yeah, we go.
Okay, so you'll be physically there. We try also to reach there, and I can take it physically at home.
Okay, and the software is it's possible to install it or give it?
No, if it would be possible, I would tell you. Just take this. I forgot to tell you from the beginning that this is not a free license software. There is no a demo. If would be, I will tell you, just download it and you can practice. This is the problem also with the students, because they cannot practice at home. Yes, this is the limitation of professional software. Even the students even try to, what to say, to hacker it? To hacker it, yeah. It's not working. It's very well protected, so I cannot tell you try, because you will not find it.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be great to give you some and to practice a little bit. It's a nice technology. Once you start and you have some experience, I try to remember with, I think, some copper yarns we had in a project, not me, but my colleague. But he had serious difficulties because he got some fabrics. He wanted to produce something for electromagnetic shielding. And finally, he got some holes in the fabric because the yarns were not elastic enough to be banded. This is the reason that it's easier to put it in woven structure where you have straight yarns. But also I have seen in knitted fabric, if you create a small circuit, then you can hit, for example, that area. So you remember I promised you I will show you some spacer fabrics. These are the composites I was telling you about. Composites. This is a spacer fabric. We can see the holes. The basic structure, the basic structure is a sandwich fabric, which was covered with resins from polyester resins. This is the PhD of Dorin, my colleague. He's here.
Hello.
He was the first student I made with him for the diploma sandwich structure, and then he did his PhD. And now you can tell
Okay,
them
but
about the yarns.
Regarding the yarns, you can look on the market because there are some knitting yarns with metallic filaments, and that kind of yarn can be easily knit. Or if you have only metallic yarn, it can be inserted, actually a little bit difficult, but it can be inserted on manual machines as weft.
We will try anyway.
Yes.
If you bring us some samples, we don't need a large number of meters because the machine
20 meters.
or 10 meters.
20
20, 30 meters maybe, because the machine is weft. So from a single yarn and probably will not be able to make loops from them. So we will try to see if we can insert it according to pattern, let's say. But if really a company will not do that unless they don't have in the production and they don't have because it's difficult. You really we tried, for example, to knit glass yarns. The glass yarns are damaging the machine. The machines we have in the laboratory are not ours. We host the technology from Stoll. So if you broke a needle cost €2. The other parts are also expensive. So yeah, there are limitations. I repeat, unless a company is specialized for this and there are special feeders for the machine to protect the machines, which we don't have it. But we can try some smaller sample to see if your PhD students.
Yeah, we are PhD students. Yes. And we are looking for some company or university which could be
we can try, and also I will ask your professor. We can sign the Erasmus agreement between our universities. I'm the Erasmus coordinator, and in case that something can happen, you can use it and come here to do some experiments. But tell me, you did the movies? You did the movies with the 4 cases of embroidery?
Maybe some our colleague made this.
I want to find out in which program you work, because we tried with screen recorder and then to edit some text on it, but the accuracy of the screen recording is not so good. So I tried to find out who made your movies, and your professors told me that the students. So I was imagining that you did it. So I want to ask you if you can advise me in which application you work. You have 4 beautiful movies with the 4 cases from embroidery. So
yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Just ask around. Just tell me in what application is made, because they are very nice. They look very professional. So who knows what software do you have? When I am stuck in something, I always ask the students. When I had my first phone with a touch screen, I had a student who has some absence, and I said, "Look, how many absences do you have the application?" 5. Okay, I'm forgiving you if you set up my phone, because I don't know how to handle it. So he was coming quickly. Yes, of course, professor. This is so simple. 5 minutes, 5 absences. So it's a great deal for me to ask the students always. It's very difficult to keep the rhythm with the technology. It's already enough here at work. Yeah, so
you will ask who did
please,
it.
just to have because really I like the movies. When we receive it on the UCBK, I was so amazed, and I want also to do this movie, but mine are not looking so nice. So yeah, I don't have too many options. So what is the topic for your PhD?
My topic is textile, knitted and embroidered embroidery antennas textile.
Wow.
So it's textile antenna made by embroidery or knitting, and it's using for monitoring the strain.
Okay, this is nice, a nice topic. Yeah, we did not work so far with this, but we can try, definitely. I will try, maybe, who knows
Thank you
what
for
is
the
coming up.
opportunity.